Good morning, students. I am R.C. Prasad, teachers, Sant Mary School, Masori, Patna. Today I am going to teach new lesson, arithmetic progression. Important chapter, arithmetic progression is short form A.P. Arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression, first of all, sequence. Sequence, what is a sequence? Some number arranged in a definite order according to definite rule are said to form a sequence. Definite rules and definite order are called a sequence. The number occurring at the nth place of a sequence is called its nth term, denoted by Tn. Denoted by Tn or An. Example, consider Tn is equal to 2n plus 1. Putting the value of n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. That is, T1 is equal to 2 plus 1, 3. N is equal to 2, 2 is 4 plus 1, 5. Okay. Progression. Second, progression. Progression sequence which follow a definite pattern are called progression. Okay. Down. Sequence, some number arranged in a definite order according to a definite rule are said to form a sequence. Okay. The numbers occurring at the nth place of a sequence is called its nth term, denoted by Tn or An. Nth term is denoted by Tn or An. For example, Tn is equal to 2n plus 1. Putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3. Putting 1, 2, 3. Then n is equal to 1. 2, 1 is 1. 2 plus 1, 2, 3. 2, 2 is 4, 5. 2, 3 is 6 plus 1, 7. 2, 4 is 8 plus 1, 9. Okay. Progression. Sequences which follow a definite pattern are called progression. Arithmetic progression. AP, it is notated by AP. A sequence in which each term differ from its preceding term by a constant is called arithmetic progression, written as AP. The constant is called a common difference. It is denoted by D. Examples, the given progression 8, 1, 14, 17, 20 is that on AP. Find the term and common difference. Okay. Solution. Preceding 11 minus 8, 14 minus 11, 17 minus 14, 20 minus 17 are 3. It is called a difference, which is a constant. This each differ from its preceding term. It is a common difference. Arithmetic series. By adding the terms of an AP, we get the corresponding arithmetic series. Example, and adding the terms of the corresponding arithmetic series 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus 15 plus 19. Okay. Example, to find the theorem to find the general term of an AP. Theorem. First, if the first term of an AP is A and its common difference is D, then show that it is nth term is given by Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Proof. In the given AP we have first term A and common difference D. So the given AP may be written as A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. This is a first term, this is a second term, this is a fourth term, this is a third term and fourth term, that's so on. In the AP we have first term T1 is equal to A is equal to AE. We can also retain as A plus 1 minus 1. First term 1 minus 1 into D. Second term A plus D. We can also retain as A plus second the 2 minus 1 into D. Third term A plus 2D. A plus 3 minus 1. Third term 3 minus 1. Fourth term 4 minus 1. That's so on. Nth term Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, general form of nth term is A plus n minus 1 into D. Arithmetic mean, if A, capital A, B are in AP, we say that A is the arithmetic mean between A and B, and it is denoted by AM. Let the given number be A and B. A arithmetic mean A and B are in AP. Okay. A minus capital A minus small a is equal to small b minus capital A. Transporting to A, 2A is equal to transporting to A plus B equal to A is equal to A plus B by 2. This is a arithmetic mean. Any AM arithmetic mean between A and B is equal to 1 by 2 A plus B by 2. An important result, 3 number are in AP, A minus D, A plus D. Second, 4 number are in AP, A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 3D. 5 number are in AP, A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus 2D. Okay. Second, to find the sum of nth term of an AP, it is denoted by Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L, and Sn is equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1. Time देखते रहना. Proof. Consider AP having n terms in which first term is equal to A, common difference D, and last term is denoted by L. Okay. The first term A, common difference D, and last term A. The sum of the n term, it is denoted by Sn, is equal to n by 2 A plus L, or Sn is equal to n by 2 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay. Also we may write R in the given AP, A comma D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, that's shown L minus 2D, L minus D, L. Let Sn be the sum of the first n term of this AP. Sn is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D, that's shown L minus 2D, L minus D plus L. This is equation number 2. We write in reverse order, writing the order or above series in the reverse order. Sn is equal to L plus L minus D, L minus 2D, A plus 2D, A plus D, A. Okay. Adding the equation 2 and 3rd. Okay. Corresponding the 2 Sn is equal to A plus L, that's so on nth term. Therefore, A plus L, n term in n into A plus L. Sn is equal to n by 2 A plus L, where A is the first term, L is the last term, n number of term, Sn sum of the n term. This is a formula. Okay. Again proceed. Sn is equal to n by 2 A, L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into, this is a formula L. Sn is equal to n by 2 a 2a plus n minus 1 into t. Find the sum of the first 19 term of the AP 2, 7, 12, 17, that's so on. Here a is equal to first term, d is equal to 7 minus 2, yeah, 12 minus 7, 5, n is equal to 19 term. So Sn is equal to formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S n का वैल्यू 19, 9 by 2 2 into 2 plus 19 minus 1 into 5. 19 by 2 2 2 is 4, 18 into 5. 2 common, 47 into 19, 893. Second, find the sum of all 2-digit number divisible by 3. So 2-digit number divisible by 3 are 12, 15, 18, 99. Here first term a is equal to 12, common difference 15 minus 12, we have 18 minus 15, 3, and last term आपका 99. Okay, now L is equal to a plus n minus into d. L is equal to 99, a is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into 3, 12 transport to LHS, 99 minus 12 is equal to 3 into n minus 1, 87 by 3 n minus 1, therefore n is equal to 29. Therefore n is equal to n minus 1 is transport to RHS, n is equal to 30. Therefore sum of the 30 term n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 to 2, n का वैल्यू 30 by 2, 2a is equal to 12, 30 minus 1 into 3, 15, 24 plus 87, 15 plus itna equal to 1665. Find the number of the term of AP 63, 60, 57 so that their sum is 693. Explain double answer are the given sequence. The double answer are the given sequence. Suppose that a is equal to 63, d is equal to minus 3, Sn is equal to 693. Sn is equal to formula n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to 693 n by 2 2 into 63 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. 693 n by 2 126 minus 3 n plus 3. Therefore 1386 is equal to 129 n minus 3 n square, 3 n square minus 129 n plus 1386. Factorize mid term, multiply 3 into 1086. Mid term factorize 129, therefore 60 n minus 63. Therefore 129, 3 n common, n minus 22 minus 63 n minus 22. A total common n minus 2, 3 n minus 63, n is equal to 2263. Okay student, है ना? You make exercise for the PT1. Good.